Hi guys, Kip here, Thousands of Roots, and if you're newer to our channel, we are building an off-grid homestead on 20 acres in the Ozarks of Missouri. We are a family of 9, we have 7 children, and tonight I'm doing the cooking. Or maybe I'm just making dinner. So while so many people are on this lockdown, I want to encourage some of you men to experiment. Make some meals you've never made before. Wives and moms, make some meals you've never made before. Do some experiments, have fun. You know, just try stuff out. Maybe I can give you some ideas on how to turn a simple salad into something a little bit special. So that's what we're doing tonight. Thanks for joining us. Alright, I got the turkey bacon on, and what I did is I cut it up into relatively small kind of strips. I'll show you. I will say this turkey bacon, what I do is I salt it heavily because it's quite bland. So I salt it heavily and then I add a lot of black pepper as well. And then it makes it taste really yummy. So along with that turkey bacon, I'm going to mix together homegrown eggs that are boiled. So all of these things, except for the turkey bacon, you can get at Walmart. Walmart's definitely not our first choice, but the local place that we shop at normally, it's actually closed because of this thing that's going on. You can still eat pretty well, even from Walmart. So. And Naomi helped Esther Pie collect the eggs today. We like to use really clean water for rinsing our veggies and stuff if we're going to eat them raw particularly. This is a Berkey water filter.
While Kip is in working on the supper, I wanted to say a quick hello and let you guys see what was accomplished last week with our top 5. Out here around the root cellar, we were blessed to be able to have the use of a machine from a neighbor. Thank you so much for letting us use your machine. And then another friend came and did all the dirt work to fill in around the stairs. And then also he leveled out this area that's going to be the continuation of our garden once we get the cement poured. So next step is to frame everything up so we can get the cement truck in here, hopefully it'll fit, and then we're going to pour, and then we'll be able to finish our kitchen garden, which will be really awesome. And an upcoming little side project that we're getting ready for includes these lovely boards. Thankfully we found someone off of Craigslist who has their own mill and they mill cedar. We've been having a tough time finding cedar boards for this project. We've got some new critters coming to the homestead soon, so we're going to be doing a dual purpose build to first house the little critters, and then when they're grown up, then it's going to double in the garden. So I won't give you all the details on that, but that's an upcoming project that we're looking forward to. How's it coming in the kitchen?
Coming right along. Got the avocado cut up.
Avocado.
We got an awesome helper here, Esther Pie.
What are you doing over here, Esther Pie?
Peeling hard-boiled eggs.
Cool. Tedious job, but important job.
We've got peppers.
Nice.
Tomatoes ready.
It's gonna be like a salad bar.
A salad bar. And my love chopped up all the salad greens. Well, not greens, but just the lettuce.
Yes.
Yeah, you did. The beautiful camera person. I just crispied it up a little bit. Not too bad. Don't burn it. Just crispy it up a little bit. You definitely want to cook away the liquid that comes naturally in the meat. So it's that perfect place between not burning it, but getting it kind of crisped up.
Yep. Turkey bacon doesn't have a lot of natural fats in it, so did you mention you added oil?
Avocado oil I put in there.
Avocado oil, yep. And there it is. Looks like real bacon, but it's not. Well, I guess it's real bacon. It's just not pork.
That's right.
Look who's 4 months old. Can't believe it. She's getting so big so fast. Are you helping with the eggs too? That's one of her favorite things to do. Is peel eggs, huh?
Yep.
You like peeling eggs?
Yeah.
So Joseph, what are you up to?
Mostly playing around.
Yeah, are you supervising the supper makings?
I don't know.
He's got a good view here. You can just kind of hang out and watch everything that's going on, huh?
Yep. Now I'm hot, so now I want to go outside and play.
You're gonna go out and cool off? Yeah, it is warm in here with the fire going, huh?
Yep.
Bye, supper time. The boys have been helping our chicken yards. They've been really mucky because it's our rainy season. It's the middle of April, and so we're kind of trying to solve two problems. We had excess hay piles out on the pasture from feeding hay through the winter. The guys would just kind of throw it in random places all over the pasture in hopes of kind of helping to seed the pasture a little bit with the seed from the hay. But the grass was not growing up very well whenever it gets piled a little too high out there and the cows don't eat it. So we've been solving both problems with one little task that we've added to their chores, and that is every time they go out to feed the hay, they go gather a few piles of old hay that the cows have just kind of trampled on and they're not eating, and pile it in the chicken yards. So now the chicken yards are getting a lot cleaner with all the extra hay. They're getting some bugs because the hay is creating an environment for bugs for them, giving them a little extra protein, and the pasture is looking much better. It's not so patchy out there anymore. It's starting to really green up nicely. Are you hungry? Mm-hmm. Good, it's time to eat.
Make a plate.
Make a plate. Wow.
My plate wasn't big enough.
Your plate wasn't big enough. Stuff falling off.
Yep.
Better get it to the table, huh?
Everybody's happily munching and crunching. What do y'all think?
Good. Good. The bacon's good too.
It's pretty rare for me to make a salad for a Yummy Sunday, but this is on Mama's request. It's turned out really nice. You like that tomato?
I already ate my tomatoes.
Alright you guys, thank you for joining us. Everything that we ate was organic, gluten-free. Yeah, we did pretty good. And everybody liked it because, you know, when you have a salad and there's 8 options of things to put on it, there's things that everybody likes. So that worked out really well. Really pleased with that. So hopefully you guys, you are just blessed by a little bit of normality, a little bit of normalcy through this craziness, and maybe challenged to make something new. I've never, you know, like I said, put together a salad like that before. So that was a first for me doing it. Storm's rolling in. Looks like it's rolling in. I've got a long week of work ahead of me. I've been working lots of extra hours and feeling the burn, I tell you what. But He is good, and His love endures forever, and His mercies are new every morning, and there is no room for fear when you walk by faith. No room for fear when you walk by faith. Fear is gone. Faith drives it out. So I encourage you, walk by faith, not by sight. And I pray blessing over you and yours. Whatever you do it with your whole heart.
That's an interesting way to cut cakes.
It works though.
So you can still eat quite healthfully. Healthfully? Healthfully? Healthy. Yeah, that.